Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of natural remedies and focusing on one incredible superfood, psyllium husk. It's sometimes known as by the name aspergilla. Get ready to unlock the powerful health benefits that this tiny but mighty seed has to offer. Let's jump right in. Psyllium husk, derived from the Plantago ovata plant, has been used for centuries due to its exceptional health properties. So, let's explore the remarkable health benefits of this fantastic natural ingredient. Promotes digestive health. Psyllium husk is a rich source of soluble fiber, which acts as a gentle, natural laxative. It promotes regular bowel movements and helps relieve constipation. By absorbing water and adding bulk to the stool, psyllium husk can also alleviate diarrhea. It's truly a natural solution for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Supports weight management. Psyllium husk is a secret weapon for those looking to shed some extra pounds. The soluble fiber in psyllium husk creates a feeling of fullness, curbing appetite and reducing overeating. It also slows down the absorption of glucose, making you feel satisfied for longer periods and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Lowers cholesterol levels. Psyllium husk has been scientifically proven to help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber binds with cholesterol in the gut, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. By including psyllium husk in your daily routine, you can maintain a healthy heart and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Enhances blood sugar control. If you're concerned about blood sugar management, psyllium husk is here to help. By slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates, it prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Supports healthy weight gain. Yes, you heard it right. Psyllium husk can help those striving to gain healthy weight. By adding psyllium husk to your meals, you can increase your calorie intake without sacrificing your overall health. It provides additional fiber and nutrients while keeping your digestive system functioning optimally. There you have it, folks, the remarkable health benefits of psyllium husk. From promoting digestive health to supporting weight management, lowering cholesterol levels, enhancing blood sugar control, and even aiding in healthy weight gain, this little seed packs a powerful punch. Don't forget to consult with your healthcare professional before incorporating any new dietary changes. Stay tuned for more exciting health tips and natural remedies. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.